back to my channel. It's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 9. I know guys, I'm late. I'm very late for this reaction or to this reaction. Actually, I went on a vacation last week, so I could not cover even the Danda Dance episode and the recent Blue Lock episode number 10. So don't worry guys, I'm going to quickly react to them in the coming days. So starting with this episode. But yeah, no more delays. I'm here. So without wasting much time, before going to the reaction, let's recap what happened in the previous episode so that hopefully we will be in the same page. So in the previous episode, I think so we saw a brilliant goal scored by Rin. Like it was a twist after a twist after a twist after a twist. Like I personally thought like Itoshi Sei is going to score, but no, the whole team came together and it was a brilliant episode. That's all. And yeah, so finally our hero or the little brother finally scored and showed how much growth he has gone through to his brother. Hopefully his brother realized. So yeah, and at the end of the episode I think so we get a glimpse of Shido. So most probably Shido is going to enter in this episode or get subbed in. So that's going to be interesting and it's going to definitely change the whole game. Our Blue Lock team has finally started getting hang of the match. Like they are in the lead now and everything, so they are slowly getting the hang. And but Shido coming in will definitely going to shake some things up, and that's what I'm excited about. And I know you guys are excited about too. And I think so you have already watched this episode or else you won't be watching this reaction. But yeah guys, again sorry for the delay. I had to quickly go off in an emergency vacation. I had to. But yeah, no more delay guys, and I don't want to waste any more time. So without wasting much time, let's get to the reaction. Oh wow, okay, so flashback. Yeah. Itoshi Sei was his hero. Wow, he was a prodigy then, huh? Wow. He was a mean kid. And the attitude of superstar too. It's so cool seeing Rin this childish. Man, their fight turned him so stoic. Wow, he hates losing, huh? Man, the determination. So what happened? Why did they beef up? Huh? That's so cool. Being such an idol for your little brother. Oh wow, he stepped in. Did this piece of Itoshi Sei? Or wow, or did Itoshi Sei realize something that made him jealous of Rin? Wow, okay, so he was proud. I thought this would make him jealous. Still the competition, the rivalry. But what happened then? Night show. Wow, okay, so nightfall happened. Man, they are jinxing it. Oh, is that Bachira's mother? Wow, she's harsh. Yeah, Bachira's mother. Man, she's looking good. Man, their parents are also becoming friends. Wow, they're still celebrating after that goal. What about his father? Wow, his parents too. Or family. Yeah. Sister, yeah. He's embarrassed. Man, so cool seeing all of their families. What about Shido's family? In the halftime, right? The halftime occurred. I forgot about it. They are going to definitely launch Shido. Man, what is he planning? Man, they are going to try to pull something shady. Oh no. Man, the politics. Let's see. I want to see the Rin's reaction or the after reaction. Yeah, these are the reserve players, right? Hmm. Wow. Everyone is helping each other. Nice. Cool. Amazing work. Definitely amazing work. But the second half is the actual game, I think so. Yeah, the situation is going to change fast. Hmm. But those plans failed. Yeah, pretty quickly. Hmm. Wow. Sacrifice, huh? Yeah. Hmm. Of course not. Try to score, yeah. Hmm. Wow. What did he realize? Wow, okay, so no other changes. Hmm. Make it a route? What does route mean? Hmm. Man, Isagi's goal is going to be so epic. Yeah, it's going to definitely happen. And it's going to be epic, man. He's going to want Shido. Hmm? Yeah, what happened? Huh? What? What? Yeah, what bet? Hmm. Oh no. Mr. Policeman. Wow. So he just wanted to witness the growth in Blue Lock. He's going to join them in the future, definitely. Hmm. Yeah, that's right too. Shido. Wow, yeah, he would want to witness Shido play. Nice. Yeah, yeah, he wants Shido to be his partner. So cool, man. Even Shido can bend the genius here. That's how talented Shido is. Yeah, don't exactly. Don't have your all of your identity as the little brother of Hitoshi say. Yeah, but what was the beef? Yeah, show. Why did the beef occur? Show it. Them together is definitely scary. I can understand that. Man, this is going to be sad. Man, the fight that is going to occur. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, great, Hitoshi say. Hmm. That's nice. Okay. Okay, then what happened? All good till here now. Then what? Hmm. Okay. So what's happening? Man, this animation is cool. The movie setting and the top and the bottom frame coming in. Yeah, what happened? Did the training turn him cold? Hmm. Again, this was the trigger, right? Oh wow, he realized he's not the best in the world. What? What no? Is that right? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, he gave up. He gave up on the dream. Hmm. Oh wow, so this was the fight. Man, this is tragic. Man. Now I can see that. Rin is a little bit more talented than Itoshi Sei. He has the gut power too, the instinct that Itoshi Sei doesn't have, huh? Oh wow. Half big. Man, he must have struggled in the academy for him to become like this, yeah? Hmm. Okay, yeah, this was the first scene of this season, right? That's it, that we saw.
兄ちゃん
Hmm.
日本にいた時とは別次元
Hmm.
でもまだ
But even then, he realized that he's not the best. Man, the animation, so movie-like, cool.
レベル
Hmm. 4 years, wow, that's long. Nutmegged. Oh, oh no. Yeah, too cold.
待って兄ちゃん
Hmm.
兄ちゃん日本一になったんだ
But still not enough.
なのに理由なんて
Wow. He was about to give up his dream to,
だ
huh?
からやめろ
Oh, that's harsh.
兄ちゃんの代わりだ
Exactly. Don't try to become a second
ス
me.
ヘドが出るぜもう二度かすんじゃねえ
Exactly. I understand where he is coming from.
ただの目を臭い
He wants him to be independent,
血な
to play soccer on his own, not because of him.
消えろリー俺の人生にもう
I think so. He doesn't actually mean that. He actually want to just encourage him. That's all.
さったけど
Hmm.
でも兄ちゃんにとっての俺たち二人で世界一になるぞ
But what changed again? Why did he didn't start playing? Maybe because of the anger? Or to prove his big brother wrong? Yeah. That's what Hitoshi Seiba also wanted, right?
できない嘘
Wow. This is the most amount of emotion that we have seen on Rin's face since the beginning.
あるぞこ
Hmm.
さえの夢を壊すためにサッカーをする
Wow, that's his motivation now, huh?
面の触覚
Exactly. So glorious, my king.
対策しましょうかレゴさん
使えない
Hmm.
対指導者
Anti-Shidoruse measures. Wow. That's what makes him goated.
使いじゃないそれより抜いた理
Hmm.
由愛しさ本番は
Exactly. Man. Well, guys, the episode ended there. This episode was a much needed slowdown in the pace so that we can get caught up to the beef that is actually occurring. Because without knowing the reason behind the beef, the emotional beats of the matches or story won't hit as hard as it should. And they did a great job with the backstory also. I understand where both of them are coming from. They are still kids. So the teenage emotion, the teenage messiness, and big brother want to teach the little brother something because his little brother is too attached to him. So he wants to push him far so that he can grow by himself. Man, this reminds me of again Eren. And it's funny that there is a relation or connection between Rin and Eren. Like the author when he was trying to make the character, I think so. This is a real story. At least that's what I heard. That the Rin's character is a imagination of the author. That basically the author imagined how would a son of Eren and Mikasa would look like. And that's how Rin was formed, or his character design with his green eyes and everything. That's what I heard on the internet, and even if it is not true, I hope so it is true. Like I'm going to assume at least this is canon for me. So yeah, his big brother again acting like Eren and trying to push away his small brother or friends, basically his family. This is cool to see where the actual drama and beef is occurring, and among all this, big trump card enters, that is Shido with his glorious biological need to score goal. And yeah, even though we have not seen much of action in this episode, even though the flashback scenes of them fighting each other in soccer was cool, at least like it was cinematic actually. They put in a lot of budget there, and I think so that's a good decision. Maybe like to sell the impact of the emotion or the emotional core of the story that is propelling this match forward. Basically, the rivalry between the two brothers. So yeah, man, the next episode is going to be so epic. And luckily for me, it is already out, so I don't need to wait a week for it. I'm going to react to it and upload it day after tomorrow. And for tomorrow, I'm going to upload and react to Dan Da Dan. So yeah, guys, this is going to be the schedule. I enjoyed this episode a lot, and finally, we know what is the beef between these two brothers. So from here on onwards, it's going to be foot to the pedal completely. The second half is starting, and as Mr. Ego himself has said, this is where the actual match starts between the egoists. And I can't wait to see how Hitoshi Sei is going to control Shido or partner up with Shido. But yeah, and the other thing I want to point out is I like seeing how much Hitoshi Sei is actually proud of Blue Lock or getting excited by seeing Blue Lock play, even though we see him or he portrays himself as some rock hard stoic guy, but no, he's actually excited to see the Blue Lock team, and that's what he actually came here for, to witness them, or to witness specifically the growth of Rin, even though he still has some kind of over attachment with Hitoshi Sei, which he actually wants to destroy. But yeah, this episode was very, very cool, and I can't wait for next episode. And I'm going to react to it as soon as possible. But this episode was great. I enjoyed this episode a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and post the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and your thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, input that I can get from you guys. So please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please interact with this video, help me out, it's free to do. So I hope you guys do it. And finally, thank you to those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking, sharing, subscribing, and pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to the reactions each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.